Okay, a very good morning children. Today let us see how a mixed recurring decimal is converted into P by Q form or rational number form. For that, already you know what is mixed recurring decimal. Here I have taken one example. Suppose you are given a non-terminating repeating decimal like this 0.32 bar. Look at the bar is given on the top of 2. That means here 2 is repeating and 3 is non-repeating. You see, number 3 or digit 3 is non-repeating and 2 is repeating. So it will be written like 0.3222. That means 2 is getting repeated, 3 is the non-repeating digit. So it is no doubt a mixed recurring decimal, and it will be definitely what? Rational number. So what is the rational number form? How to convert or how to express it in P by Q form or rational number form? We will follow the same process that we have done to convert your pure recurring decimal into P by Q form. What is the first step? First step is you take it x, let suppose x equal to 0.32 bar. Now see, then what is the next step? This is your step 1. Okay. Now what is the second step? The second step is you find out how many digits are not repeated. Here only one digit not repeated, you see. Number of digit not repeated. Number of digit not repeated. You see, not repeated. It is n equal to 1. Only one digit is not repeated, so n equal to 1. So what is the value of n? What is the second step? Then multiply. This is second step. Multiply 10 to the power n, means 10 to the power 1. That is 10. Both sides. You see, both sides. So first you assume this one x. Then find out how many digits are not repeated. In this particular question, number of digits not repeated is 1. So n equal to 1. So what is n? What is the value of n? Multiply 10 to the power n. This is the second step. Okay? Multiply 10 to the power n. That is 10 to the power 1. Both sides. So this is your step 2. Okay? Now if you multiply 10 both sides, what will you get? 10 into x equal to 10 into 0.32 bar. Okay. Now, what will be the value of 10 into 0.3 bar? This 3 will be shifted here to the left because it is after the decimal point, and we are multiplying this decimal number by 10, having 1 0 only. So it will be how much? It will be 3.2 bar. Okay. Now this 3.2 bar, how? In what other way? In what other way we can write 3.2 bar? We can write it 3 plus 0.2 bar. You see, children, if you are 3 and 0.2 bar, 3 means it is 3.0. 3 means 3.0. So 3.0 plus 0.2 bar will be equal to 3.2 bar. Now you see, now this became a pure recurring decimal. See, 0.2 bar, now it became a pure recurring decimal. And what will be the rational form? Already we have discussed. It will be equal to how much? 3 plus 2 by 9. How to know what is the trick? I have told you that day. In the previous class I have told you 2 bar, 0.2 bar means it will be 2 by 9. Why 2 by 9? Only you remove the bar, 2 will be the numerator, and as only one digit, as the bar is on one digit, so the denominator will be 9. Had there been 2 digits, suppose there would have been 2 digits, then it would have become what? 99. Suppose it is 25, it would have become 25 by 99, like this. That day we have discussed this thing, okay? So 0.2 bar in rational form, it is a pure recurring decimal, and its rational form is 3 plus 2 by 9. So now you see, now you simplify this. So 10x equal to, you add this one, 3 into 9 by taking LCM. Denominator is 1. So 3 into 9 plus 2 by 9. It will be how much? It will be equal to 29 by 9. See children. So 10x equal to 29 by 9. 10x equal to 29 by 9. But we want to find what? X. Therefore, find out x. Therefore, x equal to 29 by 9 divided by 10, and it will be equal to 29 by 90. You see, so x will be equal to 29 by 90. That means, and 29 and 90, look at, this is in P by Q form, and it is in what? Having no common factor. It is in simplest form. 29 and 90, they do not have any common factor other than 1. So now this is the required rational number of 0.32 bar. Therefore 0.32 bar is equal to 29 by 90. Okay. Now here also I will tell a trick. You see, this is the process. This is the process how to convert mixed recurring decimal into rational form. This is the process. Even without following process, you can easily instantly say what will be the answer, provided you remember a rule. What is the rule? You see, what is the trick? I am going to tell you. What is the trick? Let me tell you. See, I am writing the same number once again. See, suppose it is given 0.32 bar. See children, without following process, how will we know what will be the rational number form of this one? How to know what is the process? You see, the process is first you delete or neglect the bar. Neglect the bar. So it will become how much? 32. You see. How to get P? P will be equal to 32 minus 3. You see. That means first you neglect the bar. What is the number? The number is 32. And which number is not repeated? 3. So subtract 3 from 32. It will be 29. You see. 32 minus 3 is 29. And as one digit is not repeated, you see. As one digit is not repeated. So Q will be 9 and put 1 0. If one digit not repeated, put 1 0 to the right of 9. To the right of 9. This is the rule, this is the trick you have to remember. Without conversion. Suppose you did not follow process and you want to find the answer instantly. So this is the technique. How to get P and how to get Q. You can find P by subtracting 32 from 3. That means you neglect or you delete the bar. It will be 32. 32. Then non-repeating digit is 3. 32 minus 3 is 29. Then what will be the denominator Q? It will be 90. Why 90? Because one digit is not repeated. So to the right of 9. 9 is fixed. 9 is fixed. To the right of 9 you have to place 1 0. Because one digit is not repeated. So Q will be 90. Therefore, P by Q will be what? It will be 29 by 90. See, I will discuss another example so that you will understand it better. Okay? Let me take one more example. Suppose you want to convert 0.123 bar. See children, let us see how to do this one. This is also a mixed recurring decimal. See. Because here two digits are not repeated, one digit is getting repeated. 3. Bar is on 3, on the top of 3. So 3 will be repeated and these two are non-repeating. Hence it is no doubt a mixed recurring decimal. How to convert this into P by Q form? The same process you follow. Let us take it x. Okay. So x equal to this one. That means it is 0.1233. You see. Okay. Now children, you see. What is the second step? As I told you just now. How many digits are not repeated? You find out. Here, 2 digits are not getting repeated. That means you have to multiply. That means here n equal to 2. So multiply. You see, multiply 10 to the power 2. That is 100. Both sides. Okay. So this is the second step. So if you multiply, what will happen? Let us see. Therefore, multiply 100 to the left side and multiply 100 to the right side. So 100x will be equal to 100 into 0.123 bar. Okay. So if you multiply 100 to this number, what will happen? Both the digits, that is 1 and 2, they will come to the left. They will be shifted towards the left because there are 2 zeros in 100. Okay. This thing you know from class 5. Okay. How to multiply decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay. So this will be equal to 12.3 bar. You see, 12 will be shifted to the left side. If you multiply 100 by 0.123 bar, this 12 will come to the left side. Okay. So it will become 12.3 bar. And which is again equal to 12 plus 3 bar. 12 plus 0.3 bar. You see. 12 plus 0.3 bar. Now, this 100x. Now see, this is 12 plus. This 0.3 bar is now a pure recurring decimal. And what will be the rational number? It will be 3 by 9. 3 by 9, its rational form will be 3 by 9. Already I discussed just now and in the previous class also. Now you add the two by taking LCM, it will be 108 plus 3, that is by 9. It will be 111 by 9. You see. Now the value of 100x is 100 by 9. So what will be x? You find out. X will be equal to 111 by 9 by 100. So it will be 111 by 900. See children. So, and clearly 111 and 900, they do not have any common factor other than 1. That means it is in what? Lowest form or simplest form. So, this will be the required rational number of this mixed recurring decimal. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Therefore, the conclusion is 0.123 bar will be equal to, what is the answer? The answer is 111 by, you see, this is the required rational number form of P by Q form of 0.123 bar. Now let us check whether our solution is correct or not. Follow the trick what I told you. You see, what will be the value of P as I told you? Ignore the bar. Ignore the bar, it is 123. Then who are the non-repeating digits? 12, subtract 12. 123 minus 12, it is 111. Then, okay. Then how many digits are not repeated? You see, 2 digits are not repeated. So Q, what will be the value of Q? Q will be 9, and as there are 2 digits not repeated, there will be 2 zeros. 2 zeros will be placed towards the right of 9. That means you will write 2 0 to the right of 9. Why? Because 2 digits are not repeated. 9 is fixed. Okay? When we convert mixed recurring decimal into P by Q form, for Q, 9 will be fixed, and you find out how many digits are not repeated. As 2 digits are not repeated, so put 2 zeros to the right of 9. It is 900. See, so Q is 900, P is 111. That means P by Q is 111 by 900, which is our answer. Okay. So children, I hope you understood. I discussed everything in detail. How to convert a mixed recurring decimal into what? Into your P by Q form or rational number form. Okay. So we will discuss the next thing in the next class.